Hi students, let me open this up a bit. Hi students, this is down on the corner. If you notice the tab that's here, I made a point of demonstrating the low G tab. Remember, the numbers are the frets, and it's the C string that's open, and then you notice that the G string, you're on the second fret and then open, and so you start this sequence. And you repeat it. Now that one was 4-3-3 on the E string, and then back to the C string. And the optional high G was 3rd fret, A string. So you go from the 3rd fret, open, 3rd on the E, A string, open. Then now let's look at the strum. Very slowly, I suggested it was. I'm going to use a pick only because my nails getting caught on this. So let me demonstrate that. Now, let me bring myself up here. And so I did this very slowly. Down, up, down, up, down. Up, 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 down. The pick actually has an advantage for the precision and the surgical up and down. It's a little bit cleaner. Usually plastic picks on plastic strings don't sound that great. But in this case, for the just for the precision, my nails kept getting. Now slowly again, 3, 4. Up, up, down. Now notice it's a whole measure of C. Then it's G. And then you finish that strum with the C. Do it again. Then an F. then it goes on. Fun piece. Good luck with that.